Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. And let's get right into the video. So for today's video, I have a haul and it's quite large. I have some stuff in the boxes still. So I ordered some stuff from JCbeautyconcepts and it was very well packaged. This came saran wrapped. These two items. It's a little right. There we go. Alright, it's clear. These two items came saran wrapped. There's the clear and there's the 3.5 ounce of JCbeautyconcepts Color Blush, and there was a packing slip. All the prices will be on screen, and I will be testing out the clear eventually. But I know for a fact this was $14. This was like 20-something dollars, and this was maybe like $8 or $4, and then this was, I don't remember. So yes, the prices on these will be on the screen, and there, like I said, there will be a demo portion in the video. I have the Mia Secret monomer, as well as the Mia Secret Extra Bond, which is the primer, and the dehydrator, or the nail prep step. And these will be linked down below in the description. This is 8 ounces, by the way, and the monomer from JCbeautyconcepts is 16 ounces. And the shipping time on JCbeautyconcepts wasn't too bad. And of course, I ordered the Mia Secret stuff through Amazon, so it wasn't that bad either. This is the Macart 3-piece nail glue that I was talking about, and this glue is phenomenal. I highly recommend this glue, and yeah, I love it for adhering my bling. Let's get into the stuff that came today, which is this webcam. I'm so excited to try and use it. This was $30, $29.99. Here it is. This is what it looks like on the outside. I'm gonna open it and show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like coming out, and it is, it's a little camera. This is, and it has a protector over the lens right now, and you take that off before you start streaming. And I was talking about getting a new webcam. I'm not gonna take this off yet. I'll take it off in a second, but let me see if there's any instructions. There is instructions. Let me pull those out. And I know I've been doing a lot of hauls recently, but I feel like I've been needing a lot of this stuff that I've been ordering, and some of the stuff that I have ordered a while ago, and it just now came in here. So yeah. So this is a user manual. It just tells you how to use it, and it comes in all these different languages. And it just shows you how to use it. And these are like the specs of it and all that stuff over here. And yeah. And it shows you what it's gonna look like on a desk, like you can sit it flat, and then it shows you on a computer monitor. And it has a hole at the bottom, so you can, like my tripod, this thing that I'm using to hold my phone, you can twist it off and then put this on the inside of it, and now you have like a whole little stand going on. And then there's the customer and warranty support. And then after these 4 pages, it's in German or Dutch. So really simple, tells you how to use it. And yeah, we'll see how the quality is on Friday. I'll be going live on Friday. This will be live on, this video will be live on Wednesday. So yeah. Next, we have some valuables. But wait, let me show you guys my old streaming camera. They're by Carlash. But this is my old streaming camera, and like, look, it has like a burn spot. Can you see that? Can you see that burn on it? And that's why it was so foggy. So that's why I needed a new one. So yeah, these are my jumbo zebra files. I'm so excited about these files because they feel so much better than the Panafit 8080 grit files that come in a pack of 10. Like, this is so much more worth it because this is like, I believe $16 or $19. The price will be on screen and in the description. Like, I'll put the product link in the description. This is what the back looks like. Nothing on there. Bottom. Base. Just stop recording. So it is 50 pieces. Oh yeah, just in the pack, it already felt sturdy. And the thing is, I was tired of buying like the 10 packs over and over. So I recommend you buy like the 50 pack or the 100 pack, you know, whichever one. And plus it is more cost effective because you don't have to continue to buy more files. And y'all, these are like the original, literally, like, they look exactly like it too. The original Pana files, but they're just longer. Oof. They are just so much longer. Look at the board, like the actual foam. Oh yeah, my shape is about to be immaculate. So for the moment of truth, we have a new mic. So it is, it says cardioid pattern, plug and play, clear sound. Oops, sorry about my sniffling. And of course, I did look at a ton of reviews. This is from Amazon, by the way. Literally, it came straight out the box. This was delivered today, literally a couple minutes ago. So, and the reason why some of the stuff isn't in its original packaging, like wrapped up and all that, is because I recorded this video yesterday, but then I realized, because they kept changing the dates on when this was gonna arrive. So yeah, and then it says, boom, this is like the warranty right here. This is the instruction manual. And here we go, the contents, different languages. And I sure will be setting this up later today, and I'll be doing a voiceover, and my video for Sunday, which today is Sunday, is not live yet because I did do it on live, and I'm gonna make that one my video just so I actually have a video for this week that's good and not bad quality. So here it is. Here's the USB, and it has like little ball feet at the bottom. Did it come with the pop filter on there? And it came with the, little condenser thingy, pop filter or whatever it's called. And then here's the actual mic. I'm so excited. And here's the legs. They're not that long, and like they're not that big. Like, they're not going to take up that much space. And yeah, I will be setting this up later. And this is where the USB goes. So this plugs right into your... Yeah, it plugs right into your laptop at your like USB ports and all that. I'm sorry if like the exposure is weird in this video, or the like lighting is weird, like it keeps changing. I don't know why, but anytime I move something, it goes crazy. So I'm gonna lay everything out so you guys can see it. So here is everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell and turn on your post notifications. And don't forget that I upload Wednesday, Sunday, and I go live every Friday. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. And the demo portion of this video will be in a part 2, so I will use everything except for the files, the JCbeautyconcepts monomer, and like this big bottle and this one. So yeah, and you'll see the quality of this when I go live, and you'll hear the mic when I go live. So yeah, thanks for watching. I might do a test live to see how my products are running before I do like my real live. We'll see. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.